Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.2 on RHEL 9.6. Okay, so first verify whether we have the any office suite comes with RHEL. See, you don't have. Okay, so open the default web browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice.org. Hit enter. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.2. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice. Then see here we have the version. So for RHEL we have to select RPM package from this list. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 229 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install LibreOffice 25.2. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the zip file. We have to unzip tar-xf. Then Libre. Press the tab to autofill entire LibreOffice zip file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the extracted folder. Go to ls, go to this RPMs, hit enter, ls. See, we have to install these packages. Control A, sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing LibreOffice 25.2. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now go to activities, show applications. See, here we have the LibreOffice suite. See, base means it is like MS Office, Access. Calc means it is like MS Office, Excel. Open it, and writer is like MS Office, Word. Okay, open the Excel, that is Calc. See, we got the same. Okay. If you want to verify the version, go to help about LibreOffice. See, we have installed LibreOffice 25.2. Okay, go to terminal, ls, go up, ls, remove both rm, libre, and ls, remove this directory also, rm-rf, libre. Hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on RHEL 9.6, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.